Hey YouTube family, it's the Eccentric Diva, and I'm coming on to share my very first Mediterranean diet grocery haul. But first, let me have some sugar cane. So there's really no rhyme or reason to my setup here, but everybody knows, I think everybody knows, I assume, that the Mediterranean diet is really known to use a lot of extra virgin olive oil. So we picked up some of that, and that will also go. I can't wait to make these muffins. They are the olive oil and lemon zest muffins. So typically, like, I guess when I think of lemon zest and I looked it up, they said you need lemons, of course, but you would have to scrape them. So what I did is, wait a minute, where I can't find it. I got lemon zest in a bottle. Okay, here it is. So it's this California lemon peel. So I'm going to use that. I'm sure I could use the lemons for some other things. And then one of the recipes called for coriander. And then there's this tahini. I've never had tahini. Let me see if I can find that recipe. Okay, tahini banana smoothie. So with that, you have to have bananas. So I got some bananas. And what else? Almond milk. Got some almond milk. And let's see, honey. Yeah, that calls for some honey. And cinnamon I already have. So I already have some honey too, but we use a lot of it already. So I just got a new, some more honey. Then what else do we have? Baking powder. I'm not sure which one. I think the zest, the lemon muffins, I think they call for some baking powder. And like I said, there's no rhyme or reason to this haul. There's a spinach and feta cheese omelet, or what is it? That is a tomato and herb. Spinach and feta breakfast wrap. So I had to get some eggs. It's got some eggs there. And it's so funny, I bought those 18 eggs. I come home and my boyfriend had already bought like 3 dozen eggs. So I got plenty of eggs. Olive oil, fresh spinach, then whole tortilla. So we got these tortilla wraps. So they're like the wholesome wheat wraps. I got 2 packages of those. And then I got the ShopRite brand of the feta cheese that's already crumbled. Then there was something, I guess, with avocado. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, yeah. So the za'atar, I'm not sure. Scrambled eggs with feta and avocado. So got some avocado here. And then I ordered this. This wasn't at my grocery store, za'atar, even though we have this brand in our grocery store, but I did not see it. So I got this from Amazon. Y'all let me know how it's pronounced. Za'atar. So that's, with eggs and feta and avocado. And then there was something that called for some peppers. It's probably in like a dinner. So it called for red peppers. But I like those mixed colorful peppers. And got some red onions, cucumbers. One of the recipes called for cucumbers. Another one called for, what's the other one? Zucchini. Well, I couldn't find zucchini. Anyway, then I got these to make these multi-grain sandwich thins to make some kind of sandwich with. I didn't really look I mean, I know I made a whole list, which I don't know where it is now, but I'll insert it. So I had a whole list of everything I need to get. So then also got the regular onions, some turkey burgers, and then one of the breakfast. Oh yeah, it's like a chia seed and I believe Greek yogurt and mixed berry breakfast bowl. And I wasn't sure if we had flour or not. I think we had flour, but I just wanted to make sure we had enough. Then another recipe called for some sardines, and then flatbread, tomatoes, some almonds. So they call for sliced almonds, but I didn't see, so I got the regular ones. I can probably like crush them up or slice them myself somehow. And then also some boneless, skinless chicken. And we got some, this is hummus. Like hummus just, it already even says Mediterranean. Hummus just screams Mediterranean to me. And what else do we have? Also olives. Do they call Kalamata? Kalamata, I believe, olives. These, I don't know, for some reason, if I get them at work, I feel like the sodium in them makes me retain water. But I love them. They are so good. So this is my haul. Of course, grocery shopping for my family. I got other stuff. So my bill came to like a little over $200. But I'm excited to try some recipes, and my very first will be the muffins, the olive oil and lemon muffins. So I hope to share that with you all and let you know how they come out. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.